In this video, we'll be telling about one application that will help you to know about your phone's current condition. If there is any complaints, it will show in this application. You can also know about your phone's battery health. If you are going to buy second-hand Android phone, this application will be very useful. App name is Phone Doctor Plus. App link is given in the description. You can download it from there. Anyways, after installing this application, open this application. When you are opening this application for the first time, you need to give some permissions. After that, when you are opening this app, you can see an interface like this. In first page here, you can see general and professional option. First, what we need to do is, here you can see play button. Click on this play button. When you are clicking on that, your phone's testing will be started. If there is any problem, it will show here. Here you can see some list. This app will check everything in this, like call function, memory, CPU, storage, etc. If everything is okay, here you can see tick button, or if any complaint is there, here you can see like this. In my phone, it is showing like this because I have skipped that step. Anyways, if you are using this application, you cannot leave it like this. Sometimes they will ask to do something, you should do that. Like for example, they will ask to turn on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi, etc. When they are asking to do that, you should do that. Otherwise, it will show as a defect. So you should do that things. And next to general, you can see professional option. When you are clicking on that, here also you can see some options. Just click on this play button and testing will be started. This is example of one touch test. You need to touch in this direction. If any complaint is there for touch, it will not work properly. So you can understand about touch problems. Like that, so many checkings are there. And next to that, you can see one settings option. Click on that. Here you can see one option start. Click on start. Here you can see whether your phone's parts are original or not. If any parts are not original, it will show here. In my phone, now it is showing error. Here you can see one option like cleaner. If you want to clean, you can clean. Here you can see clean trash option. If you want to delete everything from trash, you can do that. Here you can see battery option. Click on this and here you can do battery test. But the thing is that for doing this, the battery percentage should be between 70 and 90. After battery percentage is between 70 and 90, click on this start and your battery testing will be started and it will show your results. Here charging test is also there. So like that you can do battery test. So like this you can know about your phone's condition using this application. Or if you are going to buy second-hand Android phone, you can use this application and understand that phone's condition. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.